In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Elementor. When building a website, logos play a vital role in establishing your brand's identity and making your site look professional. Adding your logo using Elementor can seem like a daunting task, but don't worry. Once you know the steps, it's straightforward and will significantly enhance your site's appearance. First, make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your website. To add a logo with Elementor, you'll need the Elementor Pro version. If you haven't upgraded yet, consider doing so to access these features. Once ready, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the page where you want to add the logo. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Now, in the Elementor panel on the left, look for the Site Logo widget. This widget lets you add logos directly without any hassle. Drag and drop the Site Logo widget to the desired area on your page. It could be in the header or footer, depending on your design needs. If you don't see a Site Logo widget, don't worry, you can instead use the Image widget to add your logo. Once you've placed the widget, you'll see an option to choose or upload your logo file. Click on Choose Image to upload your logo from your computer or select it from your WordPress media library if you've uploaded it there before. When uploading your logo, consider using a high-quality PNG or SVG file. These formats allow for transparent backgrounds and sharp displays across different devices. After selecting your logo, you can adjust its size and alignment using the options in the Content tab. It's important to keep the logo size in proportion to the rest of your site to maintain a professional look. Resize it carefully using the width slider until it looks just right. You can also adjust its position to the left, center, or right using the alignment controls. For further customization, switch to the Style tab. Here, you can tweak settings like maximum width, opacity, and add hover animation to make your logo interactive. If your logo has text, ensure that it is readable. Adjust the size or contrast if needed, especially if the logo is placed over a busy background. Once you're satisfied with how your logo looks, always preview the changes by clicking the eye icon in the lower left corner. This way, you can see how it will appear on different devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. It's crucial to check, as logos can look different on varied screen sizes. Finally, hit Update to save the changes. Remember, a well-placed logo helps visitors remember your brand and establishes a trustworthy image. Take your time to get it right, and don't hesitate to revisit and adjust as your branding evolves. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps you effectively add a logo using Elementor.